Carl.
Miss White,
I've spoken to your employer. You were to have this project finished by Tuesday. You've been paid. Is there a reason for this holdup?
listen to me, Miss White. The target has affiliation that you haven't mentioned, and the security is real sophisticated. I'm gonna need more resources than the initial installment.
And how much more resources are we talking about, Carl?
Double the amount. But with everything at stake, it's a bargain.
Is that a threat?
It depends on your answer.
What if my answer is no?
Unlike you, I have nothing to lose. I'll get the job done. I always get the job done. But when the preconditions of the contract change, everything changes. If you can give me what I want, I can give you what you want. So what do you say?
I say I have an offer you can't refuse. I have something you want, so come and get it. It's a large amount of money involved in this.
For you, I'll make an exception.
I believe that we'll both be truly very satisfied. I appreciate your service. It's been a pleasure doing business with you, Carl.
Likewise, Miss White.